everybody, welcome to my channel, and yes, I'm bringing you guys a very small Walgreens haul. Walgreens is not the greatest this week, but there are some decent deals that you guys can do, so I'm here to show you guys. It's kind of sad I just have one bag of stuff. I usually bring my reusable bags, but I didn't. I ended up just getting this. This was 70% off. This was just a $1.50. It is a foot cream with a nice pair of soft socks on there. I don't know if these are those gel-infused socks that you get like at Bath & Body Works, but I thought, you know what, this would be a cute little thing to use, like to keep my feet warm while I'm at the house. So I got this for $1.50. I ended up getting this Colgate toothbrush. Now this was $2.99. Now there are different ones. I did scan this while I was at the store, and the $2 off coupon popped up, but when I went to the checkouts, it did not come off. I've been having these problems constantly. I need to make a phone call to Walgreens. We are going to be in a snowstorm in the next 24 hours, so I will be on hold with Walgreens probably tomorrow to complain about how my digital coupons never come off. Some do and some don't. I don't understand why. So this was $2.99. You guys use that $2 off digital coupon, you guys would just get this for 99 cents, which is an okay deal. I ended up getting some gum because I gotta start, you know, getting gum because why not? And I've been craving bubble gum lately. So this was two for $4. So you guys want to use that $1 off a 2 coupon that we just got in this last Sunday's paper. You guys would just get these for $3 or $1.50 a piece, which comes out to be 50 cents a pack, which is actually a better deal doing it this way than if you guys do it the other way, buying the individual ones. So just letting you guys know on that. Ended up getting the Hershey's Gold. My store finally had it in stock. These were 2 for $2, but then there's a deal going on where if you buy one, you get one 50% off. You guys want to use that buy one, get one free coupon if you guys haven't used it already. And the coupon will take off $1. So you guys will end up getting these both for 50 cents or 25 cents a piece, which is a great deal. And my husband is obsessed with these lately, so I got those for him. I ended up getting the Perel hand sanitizer. I got the green ones because I'm really liking the smell on these. So these were $2.99. It was buy one, get one free. You guys want to use a $1 off coupon on coupons.com. You guys would end up just getting this for $1.99 or 99 cents. Not the greatest deal, but I really wanted to get some of the aloe stuff. So we got that going on. And then I got the Rimmel mascara, and I got an eyeliner. Now this eyeliner is turquoise. It is a blue one. This was on clearance for $1.19. $1.19. And it said you could get a free mascara with any eye product. So I used that coupon, and I ended up getting both of these for $1.19. This was like 7 something. So I got that. And the next deal I got is the Butterball Turkey Bacon. These were 2 for $2. This is the cheapest I've seen this price so far, but there are 55% off coupons on the Butterball website. So you guys could get 2 of them, print off 2 of those coupons. you guys would get both of these for 45 cents or 90 cents for both of them. 45 cents for bacon. I don't know how many pieces are in here. 16. That's a great deal. So if you guys really enjoy that, go for that. So that was my Walgreens haul. It was lame. They also did the 5,000 everyday points. I ended up paying $15.89 for everything out of pocket, but then I paid with points, but we don't factor in the points. So I ended up getting, I technically got 6,520 points. 5,000 of it was a beauty, so I hit beauty. I just needed to spend like a couple bucks, so I hit beauty. So this ended up, and then I was supposed to get that $2 off coupon on Colgate, but it did not come off, so I will be calling them and having them fix that. They usually just issue points for that for me, so that's going to be 2,000 points. So if you guys factor both of those in, it ends up becoming pretty much free for everything. I forgot to put the 1,000 points for that, but it ends up becoming like a 20 or a 19 or 11 cent moneymaker. But then if you guys add everything, if you add the $2 in points, it ends up becoming $11 or $1.20. I cannot do my math today. I'm sorry. It's like snowing outside. I'm just focused on the stupid cold weather. But it ends up becoming like a $1 or a $2 moneymaker for all that stuff. So, you know, I'm not complaining. I was pretty excited about this. So definitely check your store if you guys can find clearance eyeliner. I'm pretty excited to maybe try this blue stuff. I do like the Scandalous eyeliner or Scandalized eyeliner, so I'm definitely going to try that out. If you guys enjoyed this haul, please give it a thumbs up. I'm going to try to find some more deals for you guys and let you guys know. I might do a haul either Tuesday or Wednesday. I'm going to try to find out when Walgreens hits 90% off this week. I think it's either Tuesday or Wednesday. I will let you guys know, and definitely be doing a haul to see what store my store has left. But I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.